Hola, 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 familia. Inspiration is co-creation. So just wanting to share with you this beautiful space happening after our soul remembrance retreat in this amazing space. Look at that. Right? Beauty is all around. Yeah, and it's beautiful when you let yourself get inspired by the moment. Just knowing the world. Yay, thank you. That the world is co-creating with you. That the word inspiration comes from inspiritus. You are inspired. You are letting yourselves live from your spirit. And every time you inspire, every time you inhale, you're remembering that spirit, that soul, that light that you are, that beautiful, shining, radiant being that you are, right? In spiritus, inspired. I live in spirit. I connect. I choose to live from my soul. I choose to live from love. I choose to live from my full potential. It is definitely a choice, and I can do it with every inhalation. I inhale. I inspire myself. I know I am co-creating life with spirit, with universal love, with light. Yes? And I exhale and I let go of anything and anyone that are holding me back from my purpose. How amazing is that? So here a gift for all of you to get inspired, to get in spiritus in the beautiful land of Costa Rica. Costa Rica preciosa. So much love. So much beauty. How radiant can I be? How beautiful can I let myself be? How much can I surrender, knowing that the beauty that I see outside, in sunsets, in trees, in animals, in nature, in people. What would happen if instead of envying people, we will see ourselves reflected in their beauty, in the qualities of their soul that they have awakened already? What would happen if we would feel ourselves reflected in this beauty outside of us, knowing that there's nothing to envy, there's nothing to look for, it's all inside, and it's playing right now with you. It's playing right now through you, letting nature move you, letting the breath pulsate through you, knowing that you are inspiring love to every cells of your being with a conscious inhalation. And you're expiring, you're exhaling whatever is holding you back from love. How beautiful is that? How are you all doing? So good to see so many people jump through. What a gift to share with you all. Saying goodbye to this beautiful place. We just wrapped up our soul remembrance retreat. Our next journey is gonna be in Bali in March. Next soul remembrance retreat will be in March. Can't wait to share with amazing souls coming together and just upgrading, going to the next level in their lives. And talking about next level, I want to introduce you to this amazing, beautiful, shining being that is full on. She's so committed to her purpose that no matter what, she just wrapped up the Soul Remembrance Retreat, gave everything she had for 4 days full on, and now she's here, of course, committed as always to her purpose.
I look like I'm super red.
Look at that. No, babe.
Oh my God.
Beautiful. We just had a beautiful sun activation.
We did.
Right?
We did. Why is your live stream sideways?
I don't know. Oh, is it?
It's all sideways. All the comments are this way.
Oh my God. Is everybody seeing it sideways? You
Looks
think
like
so?
it.
Well, thank you for telling
Awesome.
me.
Do you know
Hey,
how to flip
everybody.
it? I don't know how to.
Is it, are you seeing it the other way? Maybe.
Yeah, that. Now you're the right way.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay. Look at you. Hi.
Hey, live stream.
Hey. Hi, everybody.
Hi, live stream.
Oh my God. Thank you, babe. So let's see. Oh God, maybe I just showed you everything the wrong way. That's cool. How's that? Okay, familia preciosa, sending you the best vibes. I'll be hanging out in Costa Rica for one more day, going to see my son, sharing with him, and then going to San Diego in New York with my son and Regan. We're going all on a kind of deep journey. Of course, working with clients a little bit, but also spending time with him and having the best time ever. Hope you're having the best time too, with your family, with friends, with all the beautiful relationships we can surround ourselves with, right? So sending you so much love. We'll see you soon. Have an amazing day. I hope this has inspired you, right? And remember that word, inspiritus. I get inspired when I inhale. I remember the spirit that shines in me, that's unstoppable, that doesn't depend on the circumstances, doesn't depend on the people, doesn't depend if people like me or not, doesn't depend if I have Facebook likes or not. I am what I am. That's the inspiration. You know who you are. And then when you exhale, you let go of, mental